Yeah. Never get you right. Hi, Diane. Active tube. See, good. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the live, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're making lunch, guys. Okay. Pin active Joseph. Yeah. Welcome, guys. Thank you, thank you. Welcome. Give me a minute, please. Coming back. 1 minute. Welcome, guys. Welcome to this little lunch thing. No big lunch, local lunch, cheap lunch, free lunch. So we're gonna make a little lunch today, just fried dumpling and corn, steamed cabbage. Nothing fancy. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Coca-Cola. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so guys, we're gonna cook. It's just fried dumpling we're gonna make. Some fried dumpling, and guess what? I have this piece of ham left over from New Year's that I frozen. I just took it out last night, and I'm gonna do the steamed cabbage with ham. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be looking after, right? I leave it here, and I'm gonna make the fried dumpling. So guess what? I'm using self-rising flour. Everything is easy now, not like before when we had to go get this all-purpose flour. They have self-rising flour now, and some people said they are not too sure how much baking powder to put into it, but they make it easy for you here, self-rising. But what I normally do, I normally add some more baking powder because I feel that it still need a little bit more baking powder. So I always add some more baking powder and a little piece of butter to make it kind of nice and soft and whatever. So I'm gonna start kneading my flour. Let's see if anybody else coming. I'm gonna wait a little bit to see if there's gonna be anybody else coming in before we start. So like up the live, guys, share, 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 and let's have some more people over here. So we're gonna share, share, share. Hi. Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming in. I'm just getting my hands clean before I make the dumpling. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Can you, can you please pin the pin pics? I'm telling you something. Pin streamline so that if anybody wants to enter the room, they can enter. Welcome, guys. I'm making fried dumpling with steamed cabbage and some leftover ham since Thanksgiving I had in my freezer, and I just take it out. I'm gonna put it with my cabbage. That's lunch. And I have hot dog. I'm thinking if I want to put some hot dog in it too. So we'll see. Hi Teflon, welcome. So I'm gonna sieve some flour. I always like sieve the flour so get it more airy. It's so compact here, so I'm loosening it up. So you get it a little bit more softer. Get all those lumps out. So I like to sieve the flour. See? Get air into the flour. I want to make more. And as I said, self-rising flour, you don't have to go measure all of that baking powder and stuff. This already set up for you, but I'm gonna add some more baking powder to it, as it's not as soft as I like it when I tried it before. So I'm sieving the flour, as I said, to get air enter into it. Air, get it airy. Fried dumpling and Johnny cake. Guess what everybody else having for lunch? I'm wondering. I just sieving the flour here, making it nice and airy. Uh, yeah, this is it. I'm sieving my flour and I kind of getting it ready. Wonder if I have enough. I'll see. Yeah, I'm going live right now. See, I'm making a lot of fried dumplings. Everybody is home, so I'm making extra. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm gonna change my pan. I think I have enough now. So I'm sieving the flour, making it nice and light. Get some air into it. Huh? I think I don't have the voice. What about it? Oh, you just pin it in the the link for the live stream that you're on. So ask to see in the live internet. She said just pin it. That's what everybody does. Okay, so Chutsi, tell me how we pin the link in the live. So if somebody wanna come and chat, they can. Hi, Team Gravely. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome. So, guys, I'm gonna be cooking. So just stay here. I'm just transferring my flour to a bigger pan. Hi, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so I'm making fried dumpling and so I'm gonna put, remember I told you I use the self-rising flour, but I'm still gonna add some baking powder to it. And I'm not satisfied with how the dumpling comes out just with the flour. So I'm adding some baking powder to it. Adding some more baking powder. So that should do it. I like them nice and soft. And I'm adding a small amount of butter. Just a small amount, not a lot. It won't be greasy because it's not a lot. Just a small amount. Maybe 1 ounce. Okay. Not 1 ounce. I mean, sorry, 1 tablespoon. Small amount. Just putting on my gloves here. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so I'm using warm water because I put some butter in, so I want it melt up. I'm just gonna crush this out, the butter in it, and bring everything together. I know everybody know how to make fried dumpling anyway. You're just chilling. I'm not really teaching you guys to make fried dumpling. I'm just chilling with you. If you're from Jamaica, you know how to make fried dumpling. But if there's anybody else who is not from Jamaica, I hope you learned something here. Okay. So we're gonna pour some water in, and we're gonna try and get the flour together. Oh no. We're trying to get this flour together. Do it little by little if you're not familiar and making fried dumplings, so you don't get it too watery. You take your time, right? Put it together. If you're an expert, you know how to do it. If the first time you're doing it, you want to take your time, right? We get some more water. Take your time, put the water in little by little until you bring the flour together. And you know, as I say, you don't want to do it all at once, so you get too much water in. Take your time and get it together. This is a lot of dumpling. It's a lot. Trying to bring this together now. And you notice I didn't put salt in. This comes with salt and baking powder, has everything in already. And I really don't want to cook it too overdo it. I don't want to do too much salt myself. So making sure we don't take too much salt in our system. As less salt that we can, it's better. I'm trying to get all of this together now. Don't worry. Take your time. Put it together till you make a dough. We're going to clean up our pan. We're making this pan clean. Guys, clean up your pan, okay? You're not using any paper towel or any towel. You're cleaning it up with the flour, with the dough, nice and clean. It's too big. We're gonna put it in two. Here, we're gonna leave it now. I'm gonna cover this, put it back aside, and get it come together. You don't have to do too much kneading. Just leave it here for a little bit. I'm gonna cover with foil, with plastic wrap and leave it there. Welcome, guys. So I'm covering it up and I'm going to put it aside until I'm ready for it. Let it soak in and come together nice and soft. While I clean this up. Hi, hello. See Lost Eat. Nice to see you. Welcome, welcome. So if you're quick making fried dumpling and cabbage with leftover ham that we had in our freezer, and we're gonna make steamed cabbage with ham. I'm thinking if I need to add some beef hot dog to it, but I'm thinking about it. By the time I get there, I'll make sure I know for sure if I want to. But thanks for coming in. Welcome, welcome. Just cleaning up while we work. And if you're from Jamaica, you know that a piece of pear avocado is good with your fried dumpling. That's why this is here. We'll leave it here, okay? And we're gonna cut our cabbage up. I'm just cleaning up. I work better. Okay. So I'm gonna cut the cabbage up now. Taking off some of the whole leaf. Guys, remember, I'm not a chef. I just like to cook. Right? I just like to cook. I'm not a chef. So guys, here, we're gonna cut this cabbage up, okay? I like a sharp knife. I think every kitchen needs a sharp knife. Good. I'm just cutting up the cabbage. Welcome, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for coming in and hanging out with me. And we're not cutting up the cabbage small. It's not we're gonna want it with a crunch. So we're not cutting it up as if we're having tossed salad. This is steamed cabbage. We want it with a little crunch. We won't overcook it. So we're making it kind of big. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I know you're there, and I really appreciate you coming in I just love to concentrate while I'm cooking. So if I'm not saying hi, it's not because I'm ignoring you, but I like to zone in when I'm cooking. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching. You don't want any to waste. So I'm cutting this part into it. And cabbage is good. It's a good fiber, you know. So cabbage is always good. I really don't need any. I really don't need gloves for this. So guys, we're almost finished cutting this cabbage. So what is we're gonna have to wash it. I like to wash it in this because you get the water out. So you can wash it and then strain it off in a strainer. I don't like to wash before I cut up. You need to wash before, after you cut up, right? I'm gonna wash with some salt. Now we're cleaning up as we go, making life easier. So welcome guys, welcome everyone, welcome to this live. So if you're wondering, we're cooking fried dumpling and steamed cabbage. It's lunchtime, it's just lunch. And I just want to have your company over. So I'm washing my cabbage, and here it is. I'm gonna leave it here to drain the water out. That's the cabbage. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut the ham up. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get whatever I have left on this, and then I'm gonna save the bone for some red pea soup or some kind of, yeah, red pea soup. Because ham bone is good in making some red pea soup. I'm gonna save it for red pea soup. Trying to get all the meat off. Well, maybe not. It's not a lot of meat, but so I might just decide to add the I'm gonna try to get as much as I can and then save the rest for red pea soup. So you know, if you have your leftover ham, you can do a lot of stuff with it. It's very flavor ever. Oh. And I remember sharp knife, right? So I almost have an accident and it's good that my knife was sharp. So it's not gonna, I'm not gonna get so much that I thought I was gonna get. So no, I'm not gonna throw away this piece. Nothing now waste. I'm gonna keep it, put it back in the freezer until I think about making the red pea soup. See, this is what I just left. I'm gonna put it back, okay? So I'm gonna leave this piece. I'm gonna put that back. So I'm gonna cut this up. Just, you don't special way in cutting it. Just cut up some ham. You know, you're gonna see it in your cabbage. Just cut it up it's quite a bit. So what you guys having for lunch? Hey Dan. Shut the moderator is telling me nothing. Mhm. Thanks. All of this is what we're gonna be using. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks for coming in and hanging out with me. Thank you, Murder STF. Thank you so much. And welcome to our lunch and chill. That's a lot, still is a lot. But to make it a little bit more exciting, I'm gonna put some hot dog in there. And it's beef and it's beef franks. I'm gonna put a few more in it to make the cabbage more exciting. So you could put whatever else you want to put in yours. Anything you have in it, just find whatever you have, put in there. It could be saltfish, that's what we are used to back home from a long time ago. So you could put anything in your steamed cabbage. I put the ham and I'm putting some franks. If you have chicken franks, pork, whatever you have, just use it up. Don't go out and buy stuff. Just use sometime whatever you have in your fridge or freezer. So this is just to make I know I have enough meat, but just to make it a little bit more exciting, I'm just adding this to it. And then, of course, I'm going to remember Damon. Of course, I must remember Damon. Damien, of course. Put one more in it. Nice it up, right? Sometimes when you're in the kitchen, you ever get excited. So sometimes I'm here, I just get excited. All right, so that's good for now. This piece we're gonna put back for soup, right? So I'm gonna put back this piece for soup. So look out for that soup, okay? Red pea soup with that piece of ham bone. It's gonna be a great soup. I remember a long time we used to make it and it was good. I'm gonna put this back in my fridge. Well, we're putting back everything back in the fridge now. You could use some pork bacon too, turkey bacon or whatever bacon you have. You could use it in your steamed cabbage too. All right. Cooking is like cooking is easy. You just need to have the love for cooking and the love for food. And you just need want to eat in your own cooking, and then definitely will learn how to cook. Because it's easy, it's not hard. You just give the food some love and you just cook. So this is so if you're here for the first time, just want to welcome you. And remember to give the thumbs up, tell YouTube that you're having a wonderful time over here. Just gonna cut up some sweet red pepper, bell pepper, what we call sweet pepper, and some tomato scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna go crazy. I don't go crazy with whatever. I like it nice and simple. The simplest way I can find. I like to cook that way. Simplest way. Not too much. So I'm gonna use Larry's and some black pepper. No too crazy because guess what? We have the ham and the hot dog that want to spice up things. So we don't need too much, no too crazy. Okay, we're not gonna kill whatever we cook it. Just gonna keep it simple. Peppercorn. And fried black pepper, I'm gonna put white pepper. The garden family. Okay, thanks for staying by. We're gonna cut some seasoning up now, some onion and all the pepper. As I said, I don't go crazy with adding all kind of different stuff to it, like seasoning. I like to keep it kind of quiet, more on the softer side because I think simple is always better. You don't get it too crowded. That's what I'm going to do. I just remember I need more onions because um, my son doesn't eat any meat, so he's gonna want his one just cabbage by itself without all of the, the ham and the hot dog. And it's lunchtime and he's here, so we're gonna feed him lunch too. Running the water, the onion burn. Hi guys, welcome, welcome. I'm just cutting up season. If you're just coming in for the just coming in now, welcome, welcome. We're just cutting up some red pepper I have and some bell pepper that I have. I have yellow, green, and orange, and I'm just gonna put them in. I'm just gonna go kind of wild with it. I'm making steamed cabbage with fried dumpling, serving with fried dumpling, but I have ham, leftover ham, and some beef hot dog. I'm gonna add it to it too. And don't tell me my eyes are burning me crazy. This onion is driving me crazy, burning my eyes. So if you hear me sniffing, it's because my eyes burning. The onion. I think we're trying to see if we could get people up, but as I said, I'm new in this thing. I'm not too sure. We're just feeling it out. This is my second time around live. And as I said, if you hear me sniffing, it's because the onion burning me crazy, burning me. I don't know. This onion burns a lot. I'm gonna dry my eyes. I like to run the water while I'm cutting onion, but because I'm here live with you, I don't want to make the water too much in the way. Burning me, man. My eyes is dripping like crazy. So guys, how are you all keeping up? Remember to like up the live, share as much as you can, and leave a comment. I'm gonna cut my tomato. I use a lot of paper towel. Ooh, whenever I come in this kitchen, I'm gonna be on a paper towel rush. I'm just sharpening my knife. Now, as I said, if you hear me sniffing, it's the onion going down all over my eyes. Okay, I think that's enough pepper. Sorry guys, sorry for the sniffing. Some tomatoes. Okay, so cabbage and fried dumpling on the menu. And if you're, as I said, if you're not Jamaican and you're here, and it's that we make with flour, baking powder, and salt, and we make a dough, and then we turn them in some balls. You're gonna see if you hang out here until I get to that part. And it's a simple lunch. We could serve it for dinner too, but this is lunch. Ours is late lunch. So thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna add some more onion to this. Gonna add a piece more onion. That's a piece more onion to this. And we're not gonna go crazy with anything. We're just using what we have at home. Because lunch can be anything. You don't have to be crazy with lunch nor dinner. You don't have to be crazy with anything. You just eat what you feel like eating and what you have at home. That's what we're doing. All right, now that all our seasoning is done, we're just gonna clean up a bit. And we're gonna just clean up a bit and get the party going. We here at Jul In The Kitchen want to say thank you guys for showing up. We appreciate you. And please remember to like up the live and share. Miss A. Brown, thanks for coming. Garden family, thank you so much for here. Active Chupsy, see you girl. And Willow Creation, you're still here. Thank you so much. And I appreciate you guys. I might not be talking to you that much, but I'm just learning. It's not my style to talk when I'm cooking. I like to just zone in and cook. But so I'm trying. I go into a different world when I'm cooking, honestly. So I'm learning the new way, but I love to zone in and cook. So, okay, so now that I have everything here, I have my cabbage set up. So if you're just coming in, I'm cooking steamed cabbage with ham, and I add some hot dog, some beef hot dog. But if you're a guest and you don't eat all of this fancy hot dog and bacon, you can do just straight cabbage. So I'm gonna do some straight cabbage. As I say, my son doesn't eat all of that meat kind, so I'm just gonna do cabbage. So I have my pan set here. So I realize I have to do two stuff. So I'm gonna add some oil to this. I'm gonna go with my steamed cabbage first. And I like to use this side of the stove because it's the side goes fast. And hot. And I'm not gonna go crazy with season. I'm just using Larry's, and I realize I don't have any black pepper, but I have white and I have Scotch bonnet, and that's what I'm gonna be using. And steamed cabbage is good by itself. You don't have to go crazy. It's good just by itself. No craziness. See, cooking is simple. You don't go crazy when you're cooking. I think simple is better too. Some some garlic. So I'm gonna put some garlic in. Simple is always better for me. No craziness. Keep it simple. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna cook up my ham and hot dog. Nothing crazy because the ham already cooked. There's just a little stirring up, and right, so I add some oil to the pot. I want to get it too much. I don't want to send off the smoke alarm, but I don't want to turn the pan on because you guys are around, and I don't want to make it too noisy. I want to make it quiet so you guys can chill in peace. Okay. But the oil is hot, so I'm gonna put this in. And I like to use a wooden spoon because I don't like hear the sound, knocking sound. Kind of get me. I want to be chilling quietly, as quiet as possible. I don't want to hear that wooden, that noisy aluminum spoon making sound. I want to go quiet as possible. So I leave it there. It's stirring this thing up. Turn up my fire since it's so quiet. And leave it there. So guys, what's going on with you? Good afternoon, Miss Brown. How are you? God and family, how are you guys? Remember, like up the live and share, share, share. There's just the ham going on here. The ham and the hot dog going on there. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna heat up this fire. Johnny, Johnny, Johnny. I'm just adding oil for my fried dumplings. And I deep fry my dumplings. So I'm putting a lot of oil. I'm kind of warming up the oil. Like this. Welcome, guys. Okay, thank you, Miss A. Brown. Thank you so much for showing in. Appreciate you. So, guys, yes, I am back. So, while all of this is going on, I am still here. I'm just gonna be concentrating a little bit. I don't want to burn anything, so I'm just gonna be concentrating right now. I hate to cook and burn, right? Nobody likes that. Making a nice, delicious dinner, and then they take your mind or your attention from it, and then it burns. Oh, that drives me crazy. So what I'm doing now, in the meanwhile, I'm gonna see. I have my dough here ready, and see how soft it is. You didn't need all of that kneading up. I remember my mom used to be kneading. But especially with fried dumpling, you want them soft, so you're not doing a lot of kneading up. You just leave it and let it set. Because unless you want to make those, when my mom was cooking, she was making dough. She really need it so the dumpling tight. I don't like my dumpling too tight. What about you guys? I don't like mine tight. I like it medium, in between tight and soft. So I'm pulling off pieces that I'm gonna be making into the dumplings. So I'm breaking them apart. And this gonna be a lot of dumplings. So this is ready. So I'm gonna put part of my seasoning in this because I'm gonna season up the cabbage too. So I'm just gonna put part of the seasoning in this. Not all of it, just a part because I'm gonna season the cabbage too. Oh, don't burn me. I put a little pepper in it. As I said, I don't have black pepper, but I'm using white pepper. It gives the same effect. It's just that it's white. I will use black white pepper like in the whitest stuff. Like for instance, you're making potato salad and you want to put a little pepper, you can use white pepper. The same pepper, just like it's white. Not too much. We just leave this just a little bit. Okay, finish up this. Gonna be a lot of something. All right. Sorry. And I'm just cooking, doing the seasoning a little bit, right? So this is done. I'm gonna exchange. I'm gonna take it out because don't burn me up here. I'm a careless girl in the kitchen, honestly. I just grab stuff with my hands after that it's hot. So I'm just transferring it because I'm gonna do the cabbage in this pot. I don't wanna mess up a lot of things. And the only reason why I'm doing this because someone doesn't eat all this meat. So I'm gonna wash the pot. But we don't want to be selfish. We want to give him some of the lunch. So guys, this is it. Not too much. What is everybody else having for lunch today? It's not every day I have lunch. Some days lunch free. D&D family, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for showing in. It's a holiday, public holiday here in America. Martin Luther King Day, so we're here and I'm not at work. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Thanks for showing in. And I'm here. I appreciate you. It's not, I'm not ignoring you, but just that when I'm cooking, I like to zone into the cooking. And I guess if you're a chef or a cook, you might understand that you just want to be in towards the cooking. But I am happy that you're chilling with me. I'm gonna add a small amount of butter here. Not butter, oil. That's a small amount. You don't need a lot. I'm gonna add butter to it. So I'm gonna steam the cabbage. I had it washed already, and it's draining over here. Let's get the rest of the water out. Put in some garlic in it. Garlic is good. Like to cook with garlic. Garlic is something I always want to have in my kitchen. Just gonna put I already crushed it, so it's here. I'm gonna put some garlic. The garlic is good. It's very anti-inflammatory, so it's good. Especially for now, this flu season, cooking with garlic is beneficial to now. So I don't want the garlic to burn, so I'm gonna add the cabbage in. So it's just simple cabbage. We cooking. No great, no nothing fancy. Are we trying to fancy it up with all of that ham and that hot dog? Sorry for the noise, but that's what we do when we need to keep noisy. I have to remember to even change my spoon because it doesn't eat meat. I want to cover that a little bit. Borrow a pot cover. Where's the pot cover for that? This pot doesn't come with a cover, so let me borrow this little bit. I want the cabbage to go down. Let's put this back. Okay. Yeah, welcome back, guys. Welcome, welcome. I'm just trying. I'm gonna add some butter to it. I don't need a stick. Why go crazy with a stick? I don't think I need a stick. You put half of that in. Add some Larry's to it. Everybody should have a Larry's in the cupboard. It goes a long way with everything you cook. Easy, so that you don't go crazy. I'm gonna put the seasoning in. Nice and simple. And our pepper, white or whatever, black pepper. So with cooking, we just want to make it eye-catching, you know? Sometimes you eat out and the food not great, but because of it catches your eye and you bite and then you don't like it. But presentation is always the key, you know? Presentation. Make it colorful and attractive, you know? You're trying to get the cabbage together from top to bottom. And we're not going to steam it too much, but this it's not ready yet. Cover it up a little bit and let it keep going. See if I need that later. Welcome, D&D family. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome, welcome. All right, so we're gonna start making our dumplings. And I'm just rolling, rolling, rolling. Everybody makes it different, but this is how I make it. Leave it here. Welcome, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry. Make them to whatever size you want them to be. My oil is heating. Can you imagine making a lot of dumplings in the morning, the restaurant business? It's a lot of work. Yes, guys. So I'm making the dumplings. And dumpling goes with a lot of stuff, right? Fried fish, corned beef. It could be corned beef and cabbage too. I like that. And ackee and salt fish. What else you guys have with your fried dumpling? I'm just checking in. And cabbage. This is cooked for me. It's cooked. I don't like it overcooked. I like it with a crunch and it must look lively and not dead. Your food must always look alert and alive. Even though it's cooked, it should have that alive look. Just tasting to see if it has salt. It's good. I just need some pepper. I'm gonna wash my hands and add some more black pepper to it. But it's good. And it's cooked. To me, it's cooked. I don't want to cook anymore. I'm gonna take my son out. My son owns out, and then I add back the ham in it. Yeah. So I'm back. I'm gonna take his out and add the ham to it. Who is here? Let me know who is here. So that's his. So now I'm gonna put back the ham in it. Ooh, la la, all of that juice. This is smelling fantastic over here. It smells good over here. And we don't want nothing more to cook from it. It's ready and we're gonna leave it just like that. Just like that. It's ready and we're not gonna do anything with it but serve it. I don't want to cook it no more. It's all done. We're gonna move it from the fire. We don't want the steam to get onto it. We want to keep it live and alert. Keep your food live and alert, even though it's cooked. Take it away. We don't want no more heat to get to it. But I'm gonna switch my pot. So it's gonna be closer to me. And I'm gonna leave this here. I don't want any more fire to get to it. So I'm gonna keep this pot here closer to me. And the ham, we're not even gonna cover it because when you cover hot food, it's still cooking while it because it's covered. I'm gonna leave it open because I don't want to keep cooking. Right, so while I clean up here and get ready to put my dumplings in. This is done. We're keeping the place free. We're taking all away the stuff that we don't need anymore and put them back. Where is your place? Okay. Don't want this no more. I don't want that no more. Don't need that no more. I'm taking stuff from my place so I keep it safe. I don't have any accidents, spilling stuff all over the place. Can be careless too in this kitchen. Ashani, my battery is going. Come. Come quick, my battery is going. Battery, come and plug that phone in. It's right here. I leave it there. I thought you would have seen it. All right. Okay, good. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay, guys, you drop the link. If you are here and you want, just drop the link and visit each other. The invitation is open there. Okay, so I'm gonna put my, I think it's ready now for my dumpling. Let me wash my hand one more time. Okay. Hello, the garden family. Hi, Kimmy Kimmy. I think this oil is hot and I'm gonna turn it down. I don't want the dumpling to burn. So I get the oil really hot and then I turn it down because I don't want when you get it too hot, I leave it burn the dumplings. I don't want them burned. I want them golden kind of yellow gold color, but not burned. So we're making fried dumpling with cabbage and some leftover ham since Thanksgiving that I had in my freezer. And I add some hot dog to it to add a little excitement. Let me test this. It's good. I'm gonna put in my dumpling, and I um I deep fry my fried dumplings. So it's nice to have them make, put down, and then when the oil is hot, you just put them in. And they're coming up. Everybody, when it's done, everybody gonna swing up on the top, and you know it's done. It's kind of crazy when you fry the dumpling in a small amount of oil. I know it takes a lot of oil to fry dumpling, but what you can do, you can always reuse the oil. But if you don't, I like to deep fry my dumplings because I don't want to turn any dumpling while I'm cooking it. Turn it one side to the other. You don't have to do this when you deep fry it. You don't. Just well, and then when the oil is cool, just put it back in the bottle. You can reuse it. It's good. There's nothing in there, just plain flour. It's not that you cook something else in there. So you always can use it back. So I fried chicken the other day with some oil and I didn't use it for the fried dumpling, but it's good. I have it there in a bottle that I strain and put it back. I just French fry some chicken. I'm not gonna throw it away. It's still good to cook any meat. You can put it in the fridge, but I didn't want it for the fried dumpling. I wanted fried dumpling to taste like chicken when I'm eating fried dumplings. So I didn't use it. But okay, so I guess the pot is full. I won't put any more in it. But they're coming on and they're nice and golden brown. I turn the fire down because I don't want them burn and I don't want it fast cook. I want it slow cook. So I turn the fire down and it's gonna be ready in a few minutes. But I don't want them burned. But keep your eyes on the fried dumplings, okay? When you fry them, keep your eyes there. They'll get burned. And then you spend all of this time and be disappointed. Anybody here who is here? Let me see your thumbs up. Say hi if you're here. Let me know who you are. And I really appreciate you hanging out and chilling with me. I know most people might be at work. If you're not a YouTuber, thanks for hanging in. And if you didn't have me visit my kitchen, you could go ahead and visit, watch a watch a video and leave me a comment. And I will always thank you Thank you for showing up. Still making dumpling. Oh my God. This is a day job. I tell you, when I'm in the kitchen, I get excited because I make so much dumplings. Really get excited. Almost done. Look how beautiful this dumpling coming out to these. Turning my fire down because I want it nice and soft at the end of the day. Look, beautiful. Can you see in the pot? They're almost done. Everybody's coming on top. Hmm? Yeah. Okay. I need a piece of plastic to put. Oh, I have the box. Okay, we're almost finished. Lunch is almost ready. And we're gonna set up a dish to take the dumplings out. Mhm. Okay, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Who is here? Almost finished cooking. Bring the coffee. If you're just coming in, we're making cabbage, fried dumpling for lunch, and we have cabbage and cabbage with some leftover ham, and we put some hot dog in it, and we are ready. We're gonna serve lunch soon, and I have. You know what? I'm waiting for that to be ready. Dumpling almost ready. Let's take it out. Take out the ready ones. Now you know when the dumpling is ready, they're all on the top, enjoying themselves on the top, taking a ride on the top, you know. They left the bottom of the pot and it comes up. We're gonna take them out and putting them on a piece of paper towel to kind of take the oil that is left on the outside. No oil get inside. I really don't need this gloves anymore. I feel restricted in the gloves. The dumpling is almost ready. Lunch, I mean lunch. See? Let the dumpling drain off the oil that is on the outside on a paper towel. No, no. When you fry the dumpling like this, it doesn't soak in any oil. But at least you wanna let's put the rest and get this thing over. And guys, you don't have to go crazy to say. I hear a lot of people say they don't know how to make fried dumpling, but everything is so easy now because at the type of you can go and buy self-rising flour. You don't have to go measure the baking powder. But what I do, I always add some extra baking powder to it. Okay. Now we finish waiting for the last set of the dumpling to fry, and we off. And we call it done. Hi, Dan, you're back in the place. Dan, you're such a great supporter. I see you everywhere I go. It's so nice that you go around and support everybody. It's nice. That's what all it's all about, right? Support, support. That's what it is. We support each other, right? That show that you're a good camper. Great camper. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, Queen. Shauna, you're still here. Thanks for hanging out with me, girl. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm almost finished now. Waiting for the last set of dumpling to fry. Why make so much noise? You cannot have a peaceful life with all of these kids around. Oh my God. I need a studio of my own. Okay, I'm almost finished, guys. Almost finished. Right there, and you understand, right, Dion? You understand. You can't have it peaceful with all of these kids and everybody in the house. You need it by yourself. Yep, I need it by myself. Oh, really, Sasha? Here. You can't even wait. Let's see if this pear have any good about it. Anything good. Anything good about it. Oh no, it's not good. Yeah, somebody from Jamaica give me one nice pear. The ones that have up here not good. Look, I'm so excited and then nothing. Look, nothing. I'm disappointed, honestly. If you could see my face, so disappointed I am that this pear is no good. I can't believe it. Why? So I miss Jamaica. Nothing good about this pear. Has no class. It's classless. Classless pear. Just have to put it in the garbage bin. No good. And I was really gonna eat some pear and some fried dumpling. Don't you know how pear and fried dumpling taste good, Jamaicans? Or I don't know about the other Caribbean, but we know that we Jamaicans used to eating that pear with that fried dumpling. I for sure used to like it. I never liked it with pear, with bulla. I never like it with bulla, but I like it with fried dumpling. And I still don't like it with bulla. I don't like the cheese and something else. All right. Let's take these dumplings out so we can get a nice view of this dumpling. And then I'm gonna put this. Let me share it. I'm not gonna share this. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out. Let me set myself up. Hi guys, who's still here? Shauna, Queen Shauna is here. Willa's creation. I wish I could give it to you. Jaita, Jay, how are you? Thanks for showing up. Really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate the support and the love. So as we say, when we cook, we care about presentation. And guys, everyone should care about presentation when we cook, because people eat the food first with their eyes before they taste it. Because does your eye make you want to have that, right? Because I've gone into places where, oh, I'm burning these dumplings. No, I shouldn't be. I need to get them out. See why I don't like to talk when I'm cooking? That's the reason why. I wish I had somebody to talk for me. And I'm burning these, and I don't like when the dumpling that color. And I'm putting them on paper towel to get that extra oil from the outside. Okay, and good. And as I said, the oil is still nice and clean. And we're going to strain it and put it back in a bottle, and we're going to use it for something else. It's still very good oil, because it's only the dumpling we're frying there. Trying to fire off. And I'm going to put everything over here. Oh no. I'm going to dump this here. I'm going to hide them others up in here, because they're kind of a little bit darker than the original color that I planned for. And this is our cabbage, and just make it look fancy, guys. Don't just put it in on the plate any old how, like how my mother would say it. And I learned from her. She likes presentation, and myself, I like presentation. Please. I get kind of act up if something I present properly. So here we got it, guys. Our fried dumpling. And I say it's no art in this cooking. It's just all I have is a little love and a little love for food. Most time I really don't eat, but I love to cook. So here you are. Can you see it? I need to put it up to you. Here is my fried dumpling for you guys who is here, still here. Here it is. I'm showing you. See? That's it for you guys. And I'm trying to see if I could bring you some of this cabbage. Oh, I need help here. That's for you too. Okay. Can you see this? It's all for you guys. Here you are. The simple cooking. You know, I probably should have named my channel Simple Cooking, as I really cook simple. I like it with a little bit of excitement, but more simple. And the excitement is just like the color. I like it colorful. And when you see it, you want to eat it. It could burst through the television. That's my intention, right? For you to want it. So I'm working on that. So we're going to be eating. So, guys, I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching. You can stay there hanging out with each other. I am going to keep this on, but I'm going to be going on the road. So you could hang on with me a little bit if you want to do that. But if not, I'll catch you guys later. No, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm not turning off my camera yet, but I have to do a little bit of errand, and my daughter is saying, "Come on, mommy, come on." So I'm gonna take some and run with me on the road, and then we could hang out with each other, go visit each other, and show some love. All right, I'm still here, okay? So it's not that I'm not paying you any attention. It's just that I have to run, and I'm gonna dish myself some and go on the road in a bit, okay? Sorry. Give me some. Can I get a go of that, please? Can you give me a this one? I didn't want to bring any though. I want to put in a regular bowl. Oh my God. Hello, guys. So I have to run. I'm gonna be on the road for a little bit, but you can hang on here with me while I go on the street. Oh, I don't have any charge in my phone. So bad. Do I turn the car on? Guys, I made lunch. Hi, Danny dear. Hi, Jeti, Jehita, J. Yeah, you show the ones. Okay, I have to go now. Hello, who is there? I have to go change my clothes because I'm running errands on the street. Sky, too much noise, please. All right, turn the car on because I don't have any charge on my phone. You know where the car is right at the front? Because I don't have any charge on my phone. And I just want to go down to the car. Is that 0%? Yes, where's the car? Yeah, where's the car? Mommy, is that 0%? You cannot work, so plug in the full power. Plug in, but it's not. So, guys, I'm going downstairs, so hang on with me. I need to plug my car in, my phone in, okay? Sit there. How far are we? Hold it, carry that. problem. I'm coming back, but the phone is giving me problem. Hi, AF Nation. Hi. On the shop.